How to add discount code pop-up in Wix Studio. So in order to add those, click right here into this plus icon and in order to add an element. From in there, click on this layout tools and then from in there you can see here this. Click onto this light boxes options. Now just choosing here what kind of light boxes you want. Since you want the discount code, you can click onto this options right here. So for this one, I'll head over and then just drag it right here into the actual website. Alternatively, you can also just click that and it will automatically be added. Just wait for this to be added because this is a big pop-up right here. Now, here it is. So just edit this particular light box. You can click on to the triggers, media, verticals, and then you can input right here the actual text. Click onto this edit text, and then from in there, put in here the promo code. So just head over and then input the code right there, and they should be able to use it. So do take note that this will be triggered if you have set particular triggers per this light box right there. So that's how you add discount code pop up in Wix Studio. Hope we helped.